Welcome to another edition of Dave Made What? Today we have a chorizo ciabatta pizza. What I have here is about a pound of chorizo sausage that we're just going to cook up. Okay, now we have to make the pizza sauce. What is being added to the blender now is a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. Again, once you have San Marzanos, you are not going to be able to buy the cheap brand of tomatoes ever fucking again. It's the way it is. You can't get pre-made sauce anymore. You can't get the cheaper can of tomatoes. Nope, it's the can of San Marzanos because they're the only ones with real fucking flavor. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to do about 3 cloves of minced garlic. And despite what some jackass in a corn suit says, jarred garlic in oil is fine. And then you want to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, and then you want to add 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. You should always have balsamic vinegar in your pantry. You really should have 5 vinegars. Regular white, AC, balsamic, red wine vinegar, and white wine vinegar. Remember, vinegar lasts forever, so. And then you just want to add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you want the sauce spicier, then obviously add more red pepper flakes. Then you just want to blend it. And that's what we're looking for. Okay, sauce is done. I know there's a debate on pizza sauce over whether or not you cook it. I'm on the kick right now of I like the sauce virgin, which means it's never been cooked. Okay, now we're ready to start assembly. Basically what you want to do is spread some of that sauce on some lightly toasted ciabatta bread. Again, you don't want it super toasted because, again, this is going to go back into the oven. Unfortunately, I forgot to film something, but everybody was ready to rip this shit apart when it came out of the oven. And then you want to add that chorizo sausage. And then you want to add some pepperonis. I didn't bother to count them. Just cover them. Cover it with pepperoni. And then you want to add on top of it whole milk mozzarella. The old shit, the good old shit. Whole milk, not that part skim stuff. And unfortunately, I forgot to film when they came out of the oven. And literally about 5 seconds after I sliced them, everything got devoured. So unfortunately, there's no real closing shot, but you can imagine about 15 minutes in the oven at about 425 degrees, what they'll look like. Just bake them till they're golden brown and all wonderful and melty. And that's really it. So that is Dave Made What? Chorizo ciabatta pizza. Done.